Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Buick Enclave. Stock number is 18B41A. Starting right away up front, you have a waterfall chrome grille. A look down the passenger side. You have chrome wheels. Those are 20-inch chrome wheels, and they're wrapped with Michelin tires. Inside, leather interior. Second row bucket and third row bench seating, so plenty of room for the whole family. Up top you have dual sunroofs. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera, and this Enclave is all-wheel drive, so on those wintry Wisconsin days, you won't be sliding all over the road. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more space. Power assist lift gate, so it's simply the press of a button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used car dealer. Power adjustable seats, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls are mounted here, and you also have a heated steering wheel. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo and navigation. Dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Enclave on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.